Hello everyone, welcome to India TV and I'm Prerna. I'm so excited today to invite amongst us Shahab Ali, aka Sajid from the Family Man. Hi Sajid, thank you for, I'm sorry, your character name. So we all know you from that name. Now you have become popular like that, and India, it's a pleasure to have you with us. And many congratulations on the success and the appreciation you have been receiving for your role.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Prerna. It's a pleasure being here.
So, Shahab, I know your journey from working as a journalist to sharing screen space with Manoj Bajpayee and Samantha. I would really like you to take our audience through your journey, how it has been like.
It's been a long journey, long tough journey because I started from literally zero, and so my life actually changed after joining NSG. I applied for NSG and got through in my second attempt. So that was the point where my real actor's journey started. So then I joined this musical show called Zangura. It happens in the Kingdom of Dreams, Gurgaon. So luckily I got through. I got that role, and I did the lead part for almost 2 years. Then I got this another musical show called Mughal-e-Azam, and I am still part of that show, and I play the role of Salim. So then Family Man happened. So it's been like that. I started as a theater artist, then musicals, and then camp.
So you always wanted to be an actor, like that was a dream.
Yeah, not actually. Like when I was really small, I never thought of acting because हमारे घर में भी उस तरह का माहौल नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. Like we never used to go to theaters and watch movies. It was considered bad. I wanted to become an actor, but I couldn't pursue that because of some financial reasons. Then I thought, okay, yeah, let's try journalism, and I thought of becoming a journalist, and I did my course from Jamia Millia Islamia. Then I did my internship in Aaj Tak, and then started working as a journalist in a newspaper. I worked for almost like 6-7 months, almost a year, maybe. I don't remember clearly. But then suddenly I felt that no, this is not what I want to do. I was so good at acting. I'm not very good at doing this. So I thought, let's take a U-turn, and I went to my mother and I said, I want to act. I want to become an actor. अभी जो मतलब हालात है उसके हिसाब से मतलब ये लगता नहीं है कि ये हो सकता है, but let me try. And my mother was like, she was like, okay, if you really feel that this is what you want to do, then go ahead, I'm with you. And then I applied for NSD, and my journey as an actor started.
It is indeed an inspirational story, and that is why I wanted you to share it with our audience, because I would have never done justice to it. And how did it, it is not just an inspiration to people who want to pursue acting or want to pursue their dreams, but I think what your mother, she supported you. I think it's an inspiration to even the parents that they should let their kids pursue their dreams and support them. So thank you so much for sharing it with us. So finally, the show is out and it has been well received by both the audience and the fans alike. So has that got any change in you, like in your career, professionally, personally? What changes are you experiencing after the release of The Family Man?
Go out, like they recognize me, then they call me, "Arey Sajid hai, ye to Family Man ka Sajid hai." This has been happening since season 1, released. So, or abhi after season 2, abhi recently I went out and everyone was like, "Arey ye to Sajid hai, ye Raji wala Sajid." So the response is so good. I'm just so overwhelmed. Like I don't know what to say because I never expected this much love. Like I knew that it's a good show, good part, like audience will like it, but I seriously did not expect that people are going to love my work so much. And the response is at some other level after season 2, and so much love. So my inbox is flooded with messages and sketches and video edits of my performance and whatnot. I've done like decent parts in musical show, like one of the biggest musical shows in India, but this is something else. This is at some other level.
this is like you are a true, inspiration that hard work pays off, no matter later or sooner, but hard work never goes waste. And that's what you have been doing, and finally it has paid off. And the character that you played, Sajid, is
No,
so intense.
it's not your fault. Trust me, it's not your fault. The names are so confusing with Sajid and Shahab. Like both names are really, and actually, this name, I actually have a friend called Sajid, and वहीं से वो मुझे idea आया था, and because the character is so stubborn, so I thought कि साजिद का जिद जो है, जिद्दी है वो, तो साजिद. That's how the name like came up.
It has edged in our memories. Like, people who have watched The Family Man, it's very difficult to, put you apart from what your character has been. And I think, इसी से I would like to ask you कि, this was your main lead, मतलब एक बहुत ही main character था, इतनी बड़ी web series थी, और इसमें आपको एक grey shade करने को बोला गया, you'll be playing a villain. तो कई बार क्या होता है कि your character stays with you, like it is happening with you. So, do you have any inhibitions that I would not, I would not want to be a villain, or I would want to do a good character professionally, जिससे मेरे को आगे एक image set ना हो जाए.
There is a tendency of typecasting actors. Like if an actor has done good job in one kind of a role, people want to cast that actor in that kind of a role only. Like उसके आसपास के ही कुछ roles offer होते हैं. So I was a little scared. बट ऑनेस्टली जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा, जब मैंने राज एंड डीके से मिला, तो मेरा वो जो डर था वो चला गया, बिकॉज आई रियलाइज्ड कि और इससे पहले मैंने कभी विलन नहीं किया था. लाइक बिफोर साजिद आई हैड ओनली डन हीरो पार्ट्स एंड पॉजिटिव कैरेक्टर्स, एंड एंटी हीरो आई हैड डन इन थिएटर, बिकॉज थिएटर इज सो ब्रॉड इन टर्म्स ऑफ जॉनर्स एंड स्टाइल्स. सो वो सभी तरह के पार्ट्स किए थे, बट प्रॉपर विलन कैमरा पे आई वाज अ लिटिल वो स्केप्टिकल, और वो था एक डर. लेकिन जब मैंने उसका ट्रीटमेंट पढ़ा, स्क्रिप्ट को पढ़ा, तो आई रियलाइज कि नहीं, उसका भी एक अपना जर्नी है, उसका भी एक पर्सनल स्टोरी है, और उसके अपने ऐसे सीन्स हैं जिसमें लोगों को उसको जानने को मिलेगा, which is so amazing, which does not happen generally. And in fact, especially in films, you don't have that much time. Like film revolves around 2-3 characters, main lead parts, और उसके अलावा नहीं होता है. But here Srikanth is the main lead, but Sajid is also important because it's a web series, and the way Raj and DK were planning to shoot it, and like their planning was quite very balanced. जो एक approach है show को लेकर उनका, तो that was the reason I thought कि yes, I must do this role, and it's a good role, and this will definitely impress the audience.
And like they say that good villains make good actors. I mean, it's important for a hero to have a villain. तब उन दोनों के characters ऐसे बाहर आते हैं. And also ये इतना intense character था, आपने कुछ इसके लिए special preparation की थी, like mentally to prepare yourself कि आप एक इतना intense character on screen play करने वाले हैं?
Yes, because I had a very different kind of energy as a person. Like I still am a little light and chilled out that way. I am a serious kind of a person in personal life also, but I'm not that intense. The intensity of Sajid is at some other level. And when I started reading the script, I thought ki if I do this role like this, it will not be impressive. Like if this character is a kind of a person who is ready to die and who is ready to kill anyone, इस तरह के level पे अगर वो है life में, तो intensity has to be at some other level. And I actually gained like 6 to 7 kgs of weight also. Like I'm 71, 72 generally, and in Sajid I'm 78. So that I look manly and ज़्यादा boyish नहीं लगूं, और gravity रहे उस character का, और थोड़ा सा उस menacing लगना चाहिए, डर लगना चाहिए. तो उसके लिए I actually increased my intensity every time I transformed myself into the character. I decided कि I'm going to have a different kind of energy and intensity. So that's what I did, and I tried not to smile, because if I smile, I look a little sweet. I remember DK sir telling me during my first shot, you don't smile. The moment you smile, character is gone. So I said, okay sir, let's do this thing कि ये character को ऐसा बनाते हैं कि वो smile नहीं करता, stone face है और बहुत ही fixed है उसका वो, और ज़्यादा express नहीं करता है, and that's what makes him really dangerous and unpredictable.
So you have played this character for consecutive 2 seasons. So did that bring any change in you personally, like the character?
Yeah. It has made me more serious now. I have become little serious. Like people tell me, "Arey, yaar, you were so chilled out. You used to crack jokes. You become little reserved, a little serious." And I'm like, yeah, I have. I think, मतलब मुझे खुद को realize नहीं हुआ. But that happens. Like every time you do a character, उसका कुछ हिस्सा आपके अंदर रह जाता है. But I'm happy कि मेरे अंदर उसका कोई violence का streak नहीं रहा है. It's just the intensity or seriousness. But I think वो ठीक हो जाएगा with time. That becomes normal, and that's my process. Like once I get into a character, I stay in that character for some time, and then I take some time and get rid of all those things.
You basically live your character, which is a beautiful thing to do in acting.
Yeah, I try to.
So I'm sure पूरा ये जो shooting का time रहा, it has been very special for you. But कोई ऐसा incident या कोई ऐसा moment which holds a very special place in your heart and which is going to stay with you?
There are many moments, like spending time with Manoj sir and shooting with Samantha and like I had great time with Sharif, Sunny, Shreya, like Aritro. These people were there, and with directors also, Raj and DK. So many moments. But एक जो बड़ा interesting जो एक किस्सा है जो मैं बताना चाहूँगा वो है कि मुझे before season 2 I didn't know how to drive a car, and I had like 6 to 7 scenes of driving because Raji ko goli lagti hai and I have to drive the car, and I have to drive the car in panic mode. It's not like normal driving कि आप drive कर रहे हैं, उसको गोली लगी है and you have to drive fast, and dialogues भी बहुत intense हैं. So it was a nightmare for me. Like it was so difficult. I remember production में से किसी ने मुझे 15 to 20 minutes lessons दिए, but I know how to ride a bike, so I knew the basics. So he taught me for like 20 minutes, and then I went there, and Samantha didn't know कि मुझे driving नहीं आती है, and I didn't tell her कि पन्ना और शील से कि what is this, and I did my take, and then I told her कि this was the first time I was driving a car, and she was like, what? So
Yeah.
So that's one story.
So anything you want to tell your fans जो भी आपको भी देख रहे हैं, they are dying to hear from you. They have flooded your inbox like you told us. Anything you want to tell them?
I just want to tell my fans that I love you all, and thank you so much for such a response, and like thank you for all your love. And I will try my level best to give you more opportunities to root for me and like me as an actor. I will try my level best. I will try to maintain this.
So as we come to the end, I would like to ask you, after Family Man, what else is happening for you on the digital and films front?
I've recently shot for a MX Player show. That show will come out around August or September, and I'm playing a primary part in that, and I'm really looking forward to that. And there are 2 more projects, but those are pipeline projects, so I can't talk much about them.
We are sure going
but
to talk
work in
about them
progress.
soon. Yeah, and we hope that we meet one more time, and again we interview for your new shows. And thank you so much for talking to us. It has been an honor. It was such a fun chat talking to you and knowing you so personally. So thank you so much, and we wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. And thank you for talking to India TV.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure being here.